Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool transmitter for an HDMI so that you can cast something from a computer or laptop directly to your TV. It does not even require internet, and it is wireless in the fact that you do not have to connect the two devices, so that's super cool. It does have a range of about 100 feet and a very low latency, so this should be able to project 1080p directly from one of your devices all the way up. Into the box we have the actual receiver piece here. It comes with a nice cover. You can see that it's got the HDMI. Now this is going to plug into the television or the display, and then it does have a power off of a USB, so you do need to make sure that whatever you have has access to plug in to power this device. It also has the transmitter, which is the TX, which is where you're going to plug this into a laptop or desktop or any other device that you're wanting to project. Also the same way, does have the USB to USB-C to plug in there that will power this device. Now a couple of neat things they did send along with the instruction guide, and again this is pretty plug and play, but they did want to give you a nice adapter with an extension piece here, which I do like because there are some times that you're going to have a little area that's difficult to get to. This will basically extend where this is so that this doesn't have to be plugged directly into the back of something, so I do like that. And they even give you two of these really nice adapter pieces that will convert the HDMI to an HDMI mini or to an HDMI to an HDMI micro. So I'm not going to be using those pieces as I don't need them, but what I am going to do is go ahead and take these two pieces over there and show you how easy this is to screencast from my computer to my television. The first thing I'm going to do is take the RX or receiver piece. I'm going to insert it into the HDMI piece on the back of my TV. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug this USB into a power supply for that. Newer TVs will have some USBs built into the television. My TV is a little older, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into a USB and a power supply. Once this is set on the correct input, as this one is now, it immediately picks up and shows that it's there. It now says plug and play. Plug this other piece into your other device. It shows a picture of a laptop. I'm going to be plugging it into my desktop because, as you can see, I've got my Google screen on there, so I'm going to unplug my screen, HDMI, and simply plug this piece in to the back of the computer. And then using this, plugging this into just any USB port on the computer and get that plugged in. It takes about 10 seconds to kind of line up the screen mirror, and what it's going to do is pull that Google screen from here and we'll put it up to here, and it will show that when it does boot up that it's connected and ready. And typically it happens just like that. There it is. You've got the casting of the screen. Now if I want to go over and grab my mouse, and I can move it around here the same as I would normally if I wanted to go up and look at a YouTube video, or if I wanted to watch a video on Netflix or something, easily cast it. And again, this is a pretty oversimplification of it because this is right here. But if you had an office in one room and a big screen TV in the next room, this would be like a seamless transition to be able to play something off of the computer and send it directly to the TV. Would work great for your home or your business.